back YouTube, and welcome back to Fernvalley Farms Beekeeping channel. My name is Vince. If this is your first time here, welcome. And you want to see beekeeping videos, subscribe, hit the bell, and here we go. Okay, what we're gonna do really quick is I'm gonna check on a requeening really fast in this number 10 hive. I installed her, I don't know, it's been a few weeks ago now, and I want to see what she's doing. This hive is fed just to help them draw out some frames. Okay, and I remember, okay, and this is a hive that I moved from a nuke into a 10 frame deep. It wasn't quite ready to do it. This is just how I'm doing it. They still got plenty of time to grow. I'll baby it, but I am feeding it so they can draw those frames out. And then the goldenrod's about to start blooming, and then once they start bringing in real nectar, that'll switch. After the goldenrod is done, that'll switch to 2-to-1 syrup. But my whole point of this video is just to see how the queen is laying. That's all we're gonna do. See what kind of larvae in there, some brood. Hopefully we'll see a bunch. And let's just get to it really quick. Give them a little smoke. We'll get in here really quick and just check. No, they're not really doing the syrup any good. Daddy Longlegs liked it. Didn't quite survive. When I did move these guys over, there was honey in there, so. I just want to see what the queen is doing. This is another Italian queen from down south. I believe these queens came from Arkansas, from what I was told. Hopefully, and I did not mark her, no. Really? I just got stung. Okay. The whole point of this is to come in here and see what she hopefully is doing. There we go. She's laying, there's larvae. That's good. You can kind of see where the cluster is, and the brood chamber, the brood nest is in the middle here, obviously. Oh, come on, girls, get out of the way. She's starting to fill this up. You see that? And that looks good. If you ever wonder why your brood or your comb is darker than your other comb, the lighter comb obviously is the new comb, but if you see it dark like that, that's just from the bees walking all over it. When the bees walk on it, okay, seriously? Come on. Check one more and I'll leave you. There we go. Very nice. This is a brand new frame, Mark 20. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait till the year 2020 is over. There we go. She's doing good. And there is honey in there. That's all I need to do. I can see honey right here, frames that I put in. That's why they're not touching this syrup. I just put the syrup in here just to try and get them to draw a comb. Obviously they don't want it, because they're not doing anything. Oh good, she's in there laying, she's doing what she's supposed to be doing. Put the I'm going to leave the syrup on. It ain't hurting nothing. It's here. I'll just leave it. So good, she's laying. That's what I wanted to see. There's, like I said, I moved them into a 10 frame about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. They still got plenty of room to go, but we still got plenty of weather also. So, and you can see she's laying up pretty good. Those bees are gonna hatch. Excuse me, and more are gonna be on the way. So she should be okay. I don't know if I'll be able to get them into a double deep for winter. I can't get my daughter's second box on to see where the cactus will match up on the paintings that she did. So I had her paint 2 boxes just so when they're together, you see that? Right there. That's the second half of that box. But anyways, I don't know if it'll get in there or not. We'll see. If not, they'll go through winter in a single deep. I kind of like to go into winter in a double deep, but we'll see what happens. Like I said, the goldenrod's about to start. Nectar flow's coming in. I'm just going to leave this. I'm going to leave the 1-to-1 on there. It's there. Instead of dumping it out, they're not touching it because there is honey in there. So I thought maybe if I put that in there, they would draw off of that. And here again, like I always say, I like to do experiments with my bees. I like to see what bees do. So obviously, if there's honey in the hive, you're not going to touch the 1-to-1. If there was no honey, period, they'd probably be downing it. So I'm just going to leave it there because it's there. So anyways, she's doing what we wanted. That's good. So my experiment is working. Now she just needs to grow for the winter. So, and if I get too late in the year and she's still in a single box, she'll go through the winter in a single box. And we'll come out of winter alive, booming. So anyways, so do me a favor, like, subscribe, ring the bell. This way you'll get notified every time a video comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys really quick in the next video. All right, bye.